Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get 60-second reels video on Instagram. So how you can make 60-second reels video on Instagram. So basically here let me just show you on my screen. Let me just open my Instagram account. This is just an alternative Instagram account. So here if you click on the profile section, and then here you can see plus icon on the top, just click here, and after that you can see here reels. Simply tap on reels. After clicking to this reels option here, after clicking to this reels option here, if you can see you can see 30 seconds. There is only 16 second and 30 second that you can make the reels, only 60 second and 30 second. So guys, here to get this to get these 60-second reels on your Instagram, then what you need to do here I'm gonna show you in this video. So first of all, you just need to go to Play Store. Okay, if you're using iOS, then go to App Store, and if you're using Android, then go to Play Store. So I'm just showing you in Play Store. Just search for Instagram now. Okay, after searching for Instagram, here you can see you will find an option as update. As you can see here on the screen, update. So now what you need to do here, just click on update option and then wait for some time. Okay, so after updating your Instagram, this is a beta version, you can join beta also. After updating, you just need to wait for 24 hours. The features of 60-second reels video, to make reels video for 60 seconds, will be available on your Instagram. So this is how you can do that. I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. If it is really helpful, then please subscribe to this channel if you want to support this. See you soon on the next video. Bye bye.